This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Cause it's bit bad, what with the bag, like tips at the front, lift up, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed, I like in my way, hella quick, like it's gonna put up on the elephant, cut my trunk, yeah, it's in the front, of course it's in the back, it's a big, it's a real big difference, you just want a club, I just need them racks, you just wanna party, so I just wanna rock,
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we're working on the Caprice once again. Okay, let's roll it out. Here we go. She's outside. It's very cold out. As you can see, we got a good frost. And just waiting for Rick to get here. And then we'll head on our way to Ken's Auto and make some more magic happen here on the Caprice. So one thing that we're going to do today is I'm going to change out this bumper shell, because I don't want this bumper kit getting damaged. And you can see how I had to modify the bumper to fit the rim in the bumper kit, which I'll show you that piece in one sec. So there's the top of the Continental kit, and the reason the bumper was cut out was because the rim actually wouldn't clear the bumper. So that's a little mod that you got to do to get it to fit right. The big thing about these bumper kits is a lot of people don't fit the bottom bucket correctly, and they'll have them sitting at like a weird angle, and that's not the way they're supposed to be. So you always want to make sure that the bucket on those contours and fits the bumper correctly, and that the thing looks like it's closed. If it's tilted back, that's kind of a crappy install. And since the car's getting work done and it's being transported on a flatbed, we always cover our plaques. So our plaque is covered up while it's being worked on. And Rick's here. And if you ever need a tow, feel free to reach out to Rick at Abbott Towing in southern New Hampshire. My neighbors are gonna fucking hate me. The car's so fucking loud. This from there. So we're dropping the tank to put the new fuel sending unit in there, since the gauge wasn't working, and get that out of the way, because we're going to reinforce the back part of the frame, so we got to clean all that up too. Got the gas tank down. This is the new sending unit.
actually the bubble wrap in there. Yeah, that thing. Lines are deteriorated. They're asking for trouble there anyway.
Yeah. And the bumper's off the back, so we can change out the bumper shell. New fillers. So the rear frame rails are reinforced, and now we're going to put the gas tank back in the car. Get the brake line going in. Alright, so the brake line is in, and just needs to be bled. So we're good there with the extension.
Workout he's got. Except you bump. I was going to do some bump thing earlier to be able to stop myself.
Got the new rear bumper on. So now I'm ready to smash back bumper without worrying about that bumper hitting the back. And just got to clean this up with some Windex, and it's looking good. Now that the back bumper's back on, we got Tommy in the car to pump the brakes. Kenny's going to bleed the brakes out. And that is a wrap for today's project.
Yeah. Again. That should be it. Okay. Good.
All right, so that's a wrap for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.